20 positive phrases in English to encourage and praise others. 1. You're doing a great job. 2. I'm proud of you. 3. Keep up the good work. 4. You're making progress. 5. You have a lot of talent. 6. Your hard work is paying off. 7. You're a quick learner. 8. Your positive attitude is infectious. 9. You're an inspiration to others. 10. You're really improving. 11. I have faith in you. 12. You're making a difference. 13. You have a beautiful smile. 14. You're always so thoughtful. 15. You're a valuable asset to the team. 16. Your dedication is admirable. 17. You have a great sense of humor. 18. You're a natural leader. 19. You're so creative. 20. I believe in you. Remember, genuine praise and encouragement can go a long way in motivating and inspiring others. Use these phrases often and be specific about what you're praising or encouraging to make it more meaningful.